When you are making something for the first time, always make sure that you have the right information, else you're going to make multiple mistakes. The ingredients I use for this sugar scrub are so expensive, and that is why I'm taking my time to explain things to you. To start this recipe, I'm using coconut oil with a mix of olive oil, then I'm going to add vitamin E oil. If your coconut oil is solid like mine, don't worry, just go ahead and put it in the microwave and it's going to dissolve. Adding vitamin E oil is great because it is rich in vitamins, which is good for your skin. Now go ahead and add your oil to the sugar and pay attention to the consistency. If the sugar is too liquidy, just go ahead and add more oil. I'm also adding vegetable glycerin and then some essential oil. Mix together until you have the right consistency for your scrub. Then go ahead and add your liquid soap and your scrub is ready. Don't forget to monitor the consistency of the scrub. As you can see, mine was too liquidy, so what I did was I went ahead and added more sugar to it until I got the perfect consistency, which is more of a solid base. That is what I'm looking for, and there you go, look at that. So that's basically what I'm looking for. You all, I'm so proud of this scrub because it is not an ordinary scrub. It is a scrub that is infused with ingredients that are rich in vitamins, which helps to lock and retain moisture in your skin. Vegetable glycerin and vitamin E oil are so expensive, but you don't have to break your bank account. You can just settle for natural oils and you're good to go. But just know that the benefits are not the same. I have dry skin, so I always make sure that the ingredients that I use on my skin are rich in vitamins and they're literally deep moisturizers. Look at that consistency. That is what I'm looking for. A solid base that is not too thick or liquidy. If this video added value to you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.